So this is the Hawaiian shaved ice electric shaved ice machine. And then we also got the 3 flavor fun pack. So aside from ice, this is everything you need. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what is in here. So you have your 2 ice molds. And then at the top, this is the blade, so be careful of that. And then there's another blade right there, so be careful of that. You don't want to cut yourself. Before I use this, I'm gonna wipe it down and everything, just to be, it goes this way. And then this is the stand for it. A little silicone guy there. Looks like this. Goes in here. That part goes there. Easy assembly. This part goes here. There you go. And then there's either that one or that one. So I'm gonna read through the instructions and make sure that I know what I'm doing. We have 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed and a phone number for a contact. This is a quick start guide, so follow these tips. Advanced users. And then your instruction manual. Okay, so that is the shaved ice machine. And then this is the 3 flavor fun pack. So this has everything else you need to get started. Let me show you. So you have straws, spoon straws. You have your snow cone cups, 25 snow cone cups. You have the bottle pourers, the little spouts. And then we have blue raspberry, classic grape, and cherry. Yeah. So, very cool, very comprehensive, super fun. My kids are really excited about it. So we are gonna wipe it down, read the instructions, and make some shaved ice. Okay, so this is what we got with about 5 or 6 household ice cubes. I'm gonna show you the rest of our ice cubes and see if we can get a little bit more. But I think that when we use the molds, the ice will turn out much fluffier. Okay.
Do we just say that?
Okay, so we're gonna, when they make the real ones, they kind of squish it down, but I mean, my kids are at home and I don't want snow cone everywhere, so yeah. So we're gonna do a little bit of blue raspberry on this one. Looks like a snow cone. First try. Well, there you have it.